Hello, today I'm intended to show you how to smooth your picture skin or smooth your face skin in your video in CapCut. But I want to clear my old projects first, cause it's stored too many projects currently. And now, I have a picture that I want to make it more smoother. And it's not only with the picture, you also can do with your video too. After you dropped your picture or your video into CapCut, then make sure you're standing on video, and you will see Enhance function. Just click on it. Then check on Face function. And increase smooth level. You can increase it to more number to make your skin more smoother. And I leave it 85%, but you might different, because we always have different skins. Then just scroll down a little bit and check on body function. Then increase smooth level to make your body skin smooth too. Okay, then let's make it more clear and a little bit sharper. Just click on Adjustment function. Then increase contrast level a little bit. And scroll down, then increase sharpen level to make the skin more clear and more sharper. And as you can see in the video, the result is perfect now. And if you want to save this as a picture like JPG or PNG file, then just click on the three lines on top at the corner. Then click on Export Still Frame. And you can change your picture resolution or your picture format in here. And after you've finished your setting, then just click on Export. And I have set my default save or export to desktop, but if you haven't set it, then your file will save to different place. Okay, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, then don't forget, click on the like button and subscribe this channel to stay notified with our future video. Thanks and bye for now.